Welcome to Nurtured Living, Cooking with Kids. Today we're going to make acai smoothie bowl. These are some ingredients that you will need. You will need some dairy-free milk. We're using Pure Harvest organic almond and coconut milk. And you'll also need a 1.5 cups of organic blueberries. And you'll need 3 frozen bananas. You'll need a tablespoon of acai berry. And we're going to add some maca powder in.
So we're going to add our blueberries. Blueberries are a good source of anthocyanins, which can help prevent heart disease and memory loss. They are high in vitamin C and fibre and also appear to help fight urinary tract infections, which is awesome. Next we have frozen bananas, which contain high levels of potassium, vitamin C and vitamin B6, which are all important for heart health. Potassium and vitamin C help transport oxygen around the body to renew and revitalise the skin. And a ripe banana contains a high amount of fibre, including the prebiotic inulin, which feeds our beneficial probiotic gut bacteria, which is the first line of defence for the immune system. Add 1 cup of dairy-free milk, or you can use coconut cream if you want it nice and thick.
Next, add 1 tablespoon of acai berry. Did you know that acai berry has 21 times antioxidants of blueberries? Add 1 teaspoon of maca powder. Did you know that maca is actually a root vegetable and it is looks like a turnip? Maca is found in Peru.
It is.
We're going to blend till it's smooth, about 30 seconds.
We have heaps of different toppings that you can add to your smoothie berry bowl. Oats, psyllium husk, chia seeds, roasted almonds, pepitas, cacao nibs, sunflower seeds, linseeds, flax seeds, and also hemp seeds.
Pour the smoothie mixture into a bowl. Now it's time to eat. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, morning tea, afternoon tea. This is one of my favourite breakfasts.
Thanks for watching Nurtured Living's Cooking with Kids. We hope you enjoy your acai berry smoothie bowl.